In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact in Microsoft Outlook. Fast 2025 Guide. We'll use Outlook on the web, so open your browser and head to the Outlook site. If you prefer, you can search for Microsoft Outlook and follow the official link. Sign in with your Microsoft account as you normally do. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you use multi-factor authentication, have that handy. Once you're in your mailbox, we're ready to add a contact. From the main Outlook screen, look for the People section. You'll typically find it in the left navigation pane or in the app switcher where Mail, Calendar, and People live together. Click People to switch from your inbox to your contacts area. This is where all your saved contacts and contact lists live, and it's the hub for creating new ones. On the People page, select New Contact. This button is usually at the top of the page. If you see options like New Contact List, be sure to pick New Contact to create a single person entry rather than a group. A contact form opens. Start by entering the person's first name and last name. Use the full name and proper spelling so Outlook can auto-complete it correctly later when you compose emails. If you only have part of the name, that's fine. Add what you have now and you can update it at any time. Next, enter the email address. This is the most important field because it's what Outlook uses when you start typing a recipient in a new message. Double check for typos, and if you're pasting the address, make sure there are no extra spaces. If they have multiple addresses, set the primary one you'll use most often. You can also add a phone number and the company. For phone numbers, pick the type that makes sense, like mobile or work, and format it clearly so it's easy to read. Adding a company name helps you search and group contacts later, which is especially useful if you communicate with several people from the same organization. When everything looks good, click Save. Outlook will create the contact and sync it to your account, so it's available on the web and, if connected, across your devices. To confirm, you'll see the new contact appear in your list, and the next time you compose an email, typing their name should bring it up instantly. That's it. You've added a new contact quickly and cleanly. If you ever need to make changes, open the contact from the People view, edit the details, and save again. Thanks for watching and enjoy a faster, more organized Outlook experience.